Ribol, nakuha ng Team Green. Isang Pareo. Pareo. Tuloy isang Luwagi. Luwagi. Susurin ng web. Ribol po sa number 12. Mr. Zambrano. Nice assist from Mr. Guzman. Pareo. Ayan sa Pareo. Stop and pop. Yes, 2 points for that for Pareo. Mr. Guzman, Zambrano, same spot. Different result. Rebound jersey number 23. Mr. Luwagi. Luwagi. Nowhere. Luwagi pa rin. Yes, 2 points for Mr. Pareo. Back to back 2. Concepcion! Wow! Pareo. 14 na shot clock. Try to shoot. Off the glass. Umiinit na Mr. Pareo. Rabanes. Pinas sa gilid. No good. Rebound Concepcion. No good but foul. Foul. Foul by Mr. Mamurang, first personal foul, first team foul. Last throw for Mr. Concepcion. Wala pa rin. Rebound jersey number 20. Tiago to Gallo. Gallo. Full three, no good. Rebound jersey number 12, Arabejo. De Guzman setting a play. Kaya sa Concepcion. Concepcion naghanap ng kapasan. Pinasa kayo ni Rabanes. Bilang kay De Guzman. Rabanes tumira ng 3. Sitis. Nakuha ni Rabanes. To Mr. Zambrano. Zambrano, 2 points. Bisa. Pareo. The score 7-6 lang ang isang quarter sa team light blue. Pareo, tumula ng 3 points. Pareo.
Iyahatanan ba? 9 points. Iyahatanan. Kondisyon ay.
De Guzman was up. Connect 2 points for Coach De Guzman. Tianzon. Pinasang na sa Pareo. Luwagi, 2 points. De Guzman may tangan ng bola. Shot clock now 15 seconds. De Guzman, Rabanes, pinasa na Zambrano. Time to shoot. Offensive foul by Mr. Concepcion. Gallo, no good. Rebound by Mr. Arabejo. Foul on jersey number 23. Tianzon, first personal foul, second team foul. Concepcion drive, 6 out to Zambrano for 3. Yes! 3! Iwan Bananes Concepcion. Shot clock 15. De Guzman. Rabanes. Yes. Mandatory.
Reserve na, 15 below.
Lapan.
15 below.
Lapan.
15 below.
Lapan. Saka play pa. One stop lang. One stop.
Paul na lang. Bola.
Buwan na.
Mr. Concepcion, second personal foul, second foul.
May ano ka, sir? Injured? Sa kamay? Kailan yun, sir?
Paul, wag na. Pag nandiyan mo, Paul, pag gano'n, bigyan mo sa akin.
Possession.
Cortina na shot clock. Force. Yes, 2 points.
Right side. Jig! Huwag mong ibaba, kamay! Taas! Jig!
Foul on jersey number 13.
Huwag ibaba, kamay, taas lang!
Figuration, first personal foul, 30 foul. Two shots for jersey number 13. And one point connect for Mr. Oliver.
Wala bang plastics, boss? Wala.
8, 9 kasi sila.
Yes, correct. Figuration. So, Mr. Margarete. So, De La Victoria.
Kick na, Jake! Ayaw, taas! Ayaw, ubos kamot! Ubos ang kamot!
Gallo.
Illegal screen!
Good shot.
Una lang!
Kamay.
Miscommunication. Victoria, 2 points.
Huli! Sige, pati mo na lang! Tumadok! Sige, next to! Taas lang!
Yes, 2 points, jersey number 27.
Antiyan!
Naipit.
First personal foul, 13 foul.
Sino na?
Time to shift, force 3, no good. We want jersey number 5-14.
Taas lang!
Manleyes to Gallo.
Dula!
Gallo to
Hoy,
Gallo.
Dok, dula siya, Dok! Kaya ito nga. Ayaw, kaya ito nga.
Bam!
3 points.
Ganun lang. Wala na. Pasa na na.
Takbo! Foul. Paulo?
37.
Tanot.
Time at Lightwood, 2 minutes and 20 seconds.
Blue ball. Bago lang nakalayap. Ligtas. Blue ball. Walay. Sila nakashot.
Tumulan. Babal. Jake kay dalan, Jake. Mula Jake. Doki, open ha. Nice one. Nice.
10 points, jersey number 10.
Oh, defense. Tagalog. Wala. Oh, babay. Okay. Baba lang. Bounce pass to. Jones. Tayo pa lang, Jones. Bounce pass. Pamulan.
Seconds to play. 55 seconds.
Set. Nala. Corner dog.
50 seconds.
Ay! Challenge na. Pasa na. Swing. Balik! Taro.
Fight to shoot! Rebound there for the 18 seconds! Traveling violation, 11 seconds!
Last shot ha. Last shot.
34. Foul jersey number 27, Manliguez, second personal foul. Warning for penalty, 3 seconds.
Pwede ba ako isa? Ay naman! Oy, tay!
Bawi lang. Nice, Loy.
Light blue, 25.
Antay ko din ba? May buwan mo kayo bantay. Ano yun na? Abot tayo pagbundo. Kaya ka babalik ka. Bikat ba? Bikat. Mapa mo bang? Mapa may tiglas. Ano eh? Naman din si Juan. Erase saya ka. Bakante lang. Refresh lang dito kay. Iya ka no. Piki mo kayo. Kami na sa. Okay, break mo lang. Para na lang. Isa ka sequence. Nakadiya. Pero ikaw mo dark ka ba? Di naman si Kaloy. Okay lang. Nasi Kaloy din. Asa siya pag okay lang lagi. Okay lang. Lagi ba minaw sa. Try na to. Saan na to kung di na to i-try. Mo dark ka pero mo bali.
Okay. Pero tama, kay para ako. Asa ko tama.
Di, buti ba yung hindi na to. Tama kay Chief.
Cesar Cortez. Personal by De Guzman. De Guzman for now.
Yan ako naka-crossover.
Pass break. Kung nakakaisa.
Mabuyanin mo.
Oh, yan. Si Pana.
Cortez for straight and over. Now over to Cesar Cortez.
Balik, depensa, balik.
Canzon no good. Lulang lalo dari Canzon. Canzon drops to Madura.
Nice deal.
Ang inbound yun na to. Quick lang dito. Minta lang to.
Early pass.
Rabanes, pero sa gilid. Zagrano, no good. Wala doon sa kapatan ni Canzon. Malone drops to Canzon. Yes, 2 points off the glass. Concepcion! Yes, 2 points for Mr. Concepcion. 8 minutes and 25 seconds.
Inbound ba?
Foul version number 7 is there. Good one. First personal foul. First team foul. For that, for Cortez. Cortez, no good. Last round for Mr. Cortez. Cortez, 1 point connects.
Takbo kayo, takbo. Nice one. Balik.
Foul by Mr. Quezon, second personal foul. Timeout, team, 7 minutes and 13 seconds.
Right. Bawal din si kuho ng bola. Bawal si kuho ng bola. Pag mupasa ka.
Ba't pa nila intentional? Naigo lang siya ako sa...
Kana pila Jason Williams baka na ginabuhat niya. Bawal na ron.
Hindi mo na siya violation. Ang violation, kini.
Gani.
Kini, naon ni mong mula. Bawal na.
Gibuhat na ko na ba? Yang ngalan ko. Ya nindot mo siya kito pagkapasado. Ginam ako na. Nagbasag rulebook para kabalo ka. Gano no?
Slide lang!
Mong kirits to mali.
Foul by Mr. Rabanes, first personal foul, second team foul. Time remaining 6 minutes and 59 seconds. Shot clock 18. Cortez. Shot clock 14. Drop. Quezon. Lurwage. No good. Lurwage pa rin. Wala pa rin. Quezon.
Box out!
Cortez will play.
Box out tayo!
Wiwi.
Blocked by Mr. Quezon. Foul on jersey number 12, Arabia.
Kung meron mga hinunda sa isa.
Paul George.
First team foul. Third team foul.
Hyperextend yung nimo.
Team Redmond, third team foul.
Napilok pabaliktad.
Psychology ni
Box out!
George man.
Box out, shooter!
Okay, di na siya makapagpapag.
Then
Si Diros.
Mr. Quezon.
Si Diros. Di yun madlok.
Maski na-injured na.
Box out, shooter! Paul! Shooter!
No good. Rebound Arabia. Zambrano to Concepcion. Concepcion, the big man, kicks out to Arabia. No good. Rebound Cortez. Cortez with Mawele. ACL by the Guzman.
No kayo! Tempo!
Kicks out Zambrano. Drops to Concepcion. Blocked by Quezon. No good. The Guzman. Foul, Quezon, third personal foul, Mr. Quezon, second team foul. Third division. One point by Guzman. Serve for Mr. Guzman, last and final free throw, jumpers ready. Yes, complete. the package for Mr. Guzman. Score 33-26 lamang pa rin ang light blue. Mandatory substitution for Richard Cortez. Cortez. First personal foul 13.
Sabi. Binanggaan na yun.
Mag-drive tayo. Basket counts. First personal foul, warning for penalty.
Sir, pag
Warning for penalty, last 4:45 minutes. Galo completes the coverage for Mr. Galo.
Okay, sa first bump, yun man ang space. Ayun, ginagawa nila sa'yo, sir.
Boys, jersey number 5.
Nice boy, nice boy. Kuha nyo!
Belches, mula sa kay Mr. Valdez. Yes, correct. Alderete to De La Victoria. De La Victoria sa pagkakataon. Kicks out. Bumar tayo.
Baba, Noy! Uy, travel!
Nice pass sa kalaman. Foul jersey number
Good shot yun, Doc. Good shot yun.
12. Now Mr. Sua. First personal foul. Both teams are warning for penalty. Regulation 1 point.
Coach. Si Kenzon, tatlo na.
Last over Mr. Figueration.
Okay, pasok.
Foul of jersey number 13, penalty separation. Figueration, second personal foul, penalty.
Coach, akala ko warning pa. Warning na kanina. Warning na kanina.
Yes, 1 point break for Mr. Gallo. Loss and time for Mr. Gallo. Ready for first. Time running 3:42. Over.
Tulak! Penalty!
Foul on jersey number 13. Pushing foul. Penalty red. First personal foul. Penalty.
pwede po, baraw oh. Simple lang ba daw? Salita lang ba? Si Alan talaga.
Marama kayo ba? Counted.
Foul by Lester. De La Victoria, first personal foul penalty. 1-9.
Jones, kabila ka, Jones!
1 point value.
Box out!
Last and third over big side value.
Quality na, Jake. Quality na, Jake.
De La Victoria. 4-24.
Sige na, Loy.
Sanchez. Sanchez of the game. First personal foul penalty.
37-36. Coach.
Isa na lang pala, isa na lang.
Lamang kayo isa, coach. Isa lang, coach.
Travel!
When there's a traveling without passport.
Nag-change.
Game!
I-change gear, mong gano'n yan.
Mr. Joaquin. Still by Sanchez.
Coach, lamang sila isa, coach. 38-37.
Uy, sayang mga turnover natin. Baba kayo tapos.
High up, 2 minutes 30.
Bawi ah.
Shot clock 11 seconds. De La Cruz, transaction there's a foul. Foul does number 37, Rodriguez, committed your third personal foul. Penalty. Hard point De La Victoria.
Lamang sila to.
Wala na tama. Good. Server sa dalawa pa rin. 1 point lead na lang ang Team Gray. Alves. Belches.
Stepping rep. Katamak ko. Rep, nakapak rep.
Eight to shoot. 5.
Nice, go.
2 points. 2. Gallo, to Mr. Belches. Torres de Alves. Wala. Rela Belches. He's sealed by Mr. Aldrete. 2 points. Yes, 2 points.
Sayang mo kayo, player ko!
35. Perfect for Gallo, 17 seconds.
Ay na po, gulaw yun, no?
Alves. Wala pa rin.
Mag-free throw yan, nagsunod siya! Nagsunod! Paulo!
2 points, Christian with 5. 3.
One point.
Score 75-46, lamang ang isang puntos sa Team Gray.
Bitin yung tanggal yun. Bola sa Gray. Ball. Ay, blue red. Bola sa blue.
Third pa niyo? Third pa?
Yes, sir.
Block, Luwage! Nakuha ni Mr. Luwage! Ibang Luwage! Yes! 2 points! Here's the De Guzman. De Guzman. Torres de Guzman. Torres de Rivales.
Bawi ka. Stop! Stop! Counter!
Degusman Gilad, Degusman berhasil ditahan dari Arabeo, Arabeo terlepas, pemilik Mr. Degusman, dalam sekitar Arabeo, no good. Hebat perception, wala. Yes, no point, Cortez.
Kaya lalu.
Degusman, Degusman to shoot.
Udah.
2 points, Rabanes.
Bisa dah.
To shoot, sends on to Cortez. Cortez pinasa ka Luwage, no good. Hebat Concepcion. Degusman may tangan pala. Degusman to Rabanes. Yes, 2 points. Different spot lang. For the swing number 19. Pareo, first personal foul, Mr. Pareo, first team foul. There's one! Three! Try to shoot. Cazal to Cortez. Shot clock 5. Bang bang! 2 points for Cortez.
Nice win!
2 points. Rabanes.
Ayaw pa screen! Ayaw pa screen!
Try to shoot. Foul.
Penalty na, diba?
Foul. Third personal foul, Concepcion. Rabanes, second personal foul, second team foul. Third to shoot.
Back out!
Rebound Cortez. Enough. Wala ba 13 more seconds 34 pa tayo. Pareho! Nag-dribble by Terminator. Kicks out. Zambrano. Bravo. And there's a 1, a 2, a 3 seconds violation. Mandatory substitution.
Paula-bola to kanina.
Basta yung tawag yung pull.
Reward generation. Still goal dance. Reward de la victoria. Reward de la victoria.
Tirado!
3 points. Foul on jersey number 13, Mr. Rodriguez. Second personal foul. Second team foul. One point, Mr. Anderete. 58-52. No good. Rebound, Mr. Gallo. Manchester Core. Yes! Cheers!
58-54.
Alorete. De la Victoria nasa Pedro line. Rebound Rodriguez.
Jake! Baba! Jake! Baba!
No good. Wala pa rin. Time out. Belches, second personal foul, 13 foul. Time out. 2 minutes and 52 seconds by the team break.
Ang control, pumasok kasi yung kamay mo dito sa for control na siya.
Wala siyang ball control. Nasa taas ang bola.
For control sir. Sabi ko sir, for control. Yung bola sir, papunta na dito sa kanya sir.
Pero both of us, for control ng bola. Ako na una nakahawak ng ganyan sa taas.
Pumasok kasi yung kamay mo dito.
Dalawang points na lang sa akin dito. Saka makakalaro nito. Diba? Kanina, hawakan dito. Tapos, diba? Offensive yun.
Sabi di ba ako mag-post kung walang hawak?
First personal foul, warning for penalty.
Hayaan mo ba yung drive? Doon man ako. Doon man ako.
Sige lang, isa lang, Loy. Isa. Third na ba to? Fourth?
Third, second.
Bola! Loy!
Steal by Gaya. Gaya nagmamadali. Forward jersey number 5, Joaquin. First personal foul, warning for penalty. Alright, now good. Yes, 1 point. Mr. Alvarez. Mr. Alvarez. Number 5, Mr. Joaquin, second personal foul, penalty.
Bawin na dyan, bawin!
One-point Gallo.
Sa ating kadua, tama ko.
Time out. 1 minute and 16 seconds. Time remaining.
Bola! Bola natin! Bola natin! Loy, baka lang muli ikaw.
Alam ka mo doon, sir.
Bola!
First personal foul.
Rebound!
1 point value. Second to play. 50 seconds for finishing. Time to shoot. Jersey number 27, Manligos, waiting for foul out penalty.
Rep, si Old Best Rep, oh! Kanina pa yan ba?
Di mo gun mahal tayo iyak. Istorya lang ba?
Sorry, tapos biglang mag-ano ng buhok. Taas ng buhok, gano'n.
Hindi siya matawag na pamaraw.
Rebound ni Sir Kuwa. Benches. Shot clock down to 15 seconds. Benches fast 3. Over. Dribble down the right.
Apat kayo!
No good. Wala man. And there is a 3 seconds violation. Five. 3 points by Mr. Gallo. The score is 63-61. Lamang na ang dalawang puntos ang game.
Butang mo.
Last final quarter. Ball possession, great team. Yes, 2 points, Mr. Wagen. Rosma. Kicks out. 8 to shoot. Shot outside. Rocky survey. Bang! 3 points.
Baba.
Pinsa! Defense! Pressure, gawin!
Justin the shot.
Laula! Okay, no?
Shot clock.
No foul! Nice one. Go! Turn lang, coach.
There goes one for that.
Defense! Nice rebound.
Second personal foul, wasting point.
Nice one.
Gibuhat din akong
Gibildan lang.
Gibuhat din akong gino.
Ball, Mr. Albenz. Third personal foul. Second foul.
Shoot doon.
66-65.
Isa ng ball.
Isang lamay, isang football sa light blue. One point Concepcion.
Defense!
Tabok lang.
Sige, Mike, kasto! Ball! Paulo? Baba! Nice.
Shot clock down to 15.
Takbo! Corner!
Rabanes. Time to shoot. Shot clock 5. Rabanes. Nag-miracle shot pero no good.
Sub.
Diba, version number 5.
Baba! Pas, coach!
Both teams have 2 timeouts.
Sige lang, presto!
Shot clock down to 10. Fight to shoot.
Nice one yan!
Good, ito sa ring ha.
Malas. Sub!
Shot clock violation.
Win! Go, bye, go!
Stop, stop!
Box, box!
Milwaukee. Milwaukee now good.
Jules! Come on, Jules!
Guzman.
Paulo!
Galio, Iwa, Galio. Win, win. Galio.
Okay na. Guli kamay, guli kamay!
Nice D, nice D.
Nice one! Box lang. Secure. Tapos may
Okay, gamay ra kayo na uno mga tamang talunog. Gamay ra kayo.
may kumpiyansa. Maintain lang, maintain. Five minutes. Tuloy-tuloy na. Depensa.
Fight skill, fight skill. Nice win. Rocket, two. Na.
Nice one.
2 points on the record.
Ganun pala yung gawin niya kanina pala. Hindi na bitaw.
Stop. Fight.
Defense. Wala. Okay. Go. Win. Tagay. Nice one. Pata.
Foul by Mr. Cortez, third personal foul.
Nice win.
Nice one.
What a nice pass.
Arang din na.
Nice one. Nice.
2 points. Milwaukee. Here's the Lakua.
Ay, kaluya. Sige, depensa.
Arabeo committed their second personal foul, first team foul.
Ako ganyan, nagtindog-tindog na ganito, no? Gikan mo kumbar.
Nur. Ginawa ka, dili na. Pag ginawa.
Gipauga lang di ayang bola.
Relax lang. Okay.
Relax lang the players, mga Rams.
Punta.
Last ball for Mr. Galio.
Box shooter. Box out. Ayak.
Juan Alves. Cortez. Stop and pop. Morgan.
Possession.
Gray.
Gray ang bola. Ay, gamay din.
Sorry, Dul.
Wala.
5-2, no good.
Foul!
And possession. Kaya na nag-54.
Depensa kaya po, depensa.
Okay, relax na, relax.
Depensa na. What's up?
7 points na lang ha, 7 points.
Bola! Nice one.
Oh, defense! Walang yapunan! Block by Alderete, last 2 minutes! Call on jersey number 2, Cortez, warning for foul out and warning for penalty for Team Green.
9 points. Meron kayo na.
Mabulaloy! Oh, hinay na bola. Wala bulaloy.
15 on the shot clock. 10.
Defense.
Hold on to the one.
Nice.
Control ng bola.
Shot clock 15. Time to shoot. Shot clock 5 seconds.
Nice one.
Hold on. Jersey number 33.
3-3.
3 points.
2 points na. 2 points.
3 points.
Unom na, unom.
Shot clock 12.
Penalty.
Osman. Penalty.
Al.
Johnson, 4th personal foul.
Sure na.
Ay! Isa.
Kenzan, fouled out. Penalty. Boleh pwede mag-timeout pag mag-miss, pag ma-shot lang, timeout. Team break and shield timeout. Alright, back to the wagon. 14. 13 down. Shot clock 12.
Penalty.
Foul on jersey number 7. Second personal foul, second team foul. Second team foul pa ang light blue. Solid. Foul de la Victoria, third personal foul, third team foul. 3 shots for Cortez. No good. One point connect for Cortez.
Abre, pasa. Foul, 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 foul.
Substitution.
Oh, foul, foul.
Foul on jersey number 2, Cortez. You are fouled out. No, sir. One point. Shot clock is off. No good. Wala pa rin. Wala yapon. 12 seconds.
Pupuesa.
Positive po. Isa lang. 1 point. Rabanes, serve over Mr. Rabanes. Nine seconds. 13 for Ledley. Possession number 5, waiting for timeout. 3 seconds. Wala ng timeout ang Team Gray. 2 timeouts like blue.
Napay time out ang Gray.
Win! 1 point. And the winner!
Gago tulunan di ay. Kung gibam to niya kasi napatid ko.
And the final score 83-80. Korea!